Every craftsman can easily change their life to an artist's life because the craft is the base of art. Hi dear artists, dear art students, dear art lovers. Welcome to this video. I am sculptor Guru Prasad Ayyappan. Today our subject is art and craft. What is the difference between art and craft? Many people ask the same question to each other. Even artists and art students are not able to give a correct answer to them because it is a confusing question. Some people say art and craft are the same. It has no difference. The base of this statement is the lack of the correct knowledge about the art and craft. So, some people think that good artworks are considered as good craft work, and some good craft work are considered as the good artworks. How can we easily identify artwork and craft work? First, I will talk about the craft. The base of the craft work is beauty. It has no other meaning. We use the craft work in our daily life like utensils, furniture, cloth, etc. Craft works are commonly used in architecture to highlight the beauty of the building. Craft work used in all objects are made by man under the sun. The area of the craft work spread from pen to vehicle to satellite. That is craft. Then art. Artwork has many different planes of meaning. The world famous paintings, the Mona Lisa, the persistence of time, and Guernica are good example of the artworks. But the copy of that paintings are not artwork. It is only a craft work. Other one example. What is the meaning of the painting of a cat? The meaning is, it is cat, no other meaning. What is the meaning of the painting of flowers? The meaning is, it is flowers, no other meaning. If you paint or make a sculpture of a cat and a milk plate, it has no other meaning. It is the painting or sculpture of cat and milk plates. A cat sitting in the front of the milk plate. If you change the milk plate with a flower plate in the picture or sculpture, suddenly it will create a confusion and raise many questions. For this, there are many planes of meanings. Here, the craft work suddenly changes to the level of a work of art. This is a simple example of the difference between art and craft. Craft is the base of art. But art creates imagination. Art creates dreams. Art creates discoveries. Art creates self-satisfaction. Art creates tense. Art creates fantasy. Art creates different planes of visions. Art creates new world, and art creates advice to the society. But art cannot stand without craft. Craft can easily stand without art. Art cannot stand without craft. Craft can easily stand without art. Craft is the alphabets of art. Crafts handle a very important role in art. In this circumstance, I strongly give an advice to the art students and artists. You must practice and develop the craft. The craft will give more beauty in your work of art. Every craftsman can easily change their life to an artist's life because the craft is the base of art. No doubt. Thank you. Thank you very much.
For more videos, press the bell button, subscribe the channel.